Wednesday, June 17, Just the Way You Are. Ayun.
Thank you, Miss Maan, and of course, our dear Miss Carmi.
Hi, as always, thank you po sa pagpunta at sa pagsuporta. Sana mapapalitan natin sa lahat na Just the Way You Are, kwento. Antayin niyo yung kwento at kung paano in-interpret ni Liza at ni Ken yung mga characters. Kasi kung nagulat kayo, kung grabing big revelation sila sa Forevermore, mas in-stretch pa nila yung limits nila. Parang ang galing. Kahit ako na-amaze pag pinapanood ko yung rushes, kung paano sila nag-grow. Ayun, it's a story about love, loving, and how love is, sabi nga nila Ken at Eliza, di ba? In a sentence, love is a call to be brave. So, panoorin po natin lahat.
Thank you, Miss Carmi. Miss Kim.
Salamat po sa pagpunta at sana supportahan po natin yung movie sa Wednesday na po. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Kim. And of course, Liza, the very pretty Liza, please.
Hello, gusto ko lang mag-thank you sa lahat, sa inyong lahat for coming here and for your questions and for supporting Just the Way You Are since the beginning.
Totoo, ever since mo, andyan sila to support you. Di ba, ang daming vlog cons na natin and press
Lagi sila. Thank you so much. And yun, Just the Way You Are po, this June 17 to Wednesday na po. I hope you guys will support the movie also. Bring your whole family, bring your friends, tell your family to bring their family, and your friends to bring their family. Thank you so much, guys.
International premiere din to Liza.
Ayun, sa June 20. Kung may family kayo dun, sabihin nyo, manood din po sila.
Alright. And of course, ang napakagwapong si Ken.
Yes, well, thank you so much again for coming. I'm sorry again for being late. And please watch Just the Way You Are. Marami kayong matutunan. All about love, about trusting people, about forgiveness, about a lot of things, lalo na sa family, about understanding people and why kahit anong mangyari, mamahalin mo sila kasi sila yun. Kahit kano ka ba utot mo, mamahalin pa rin kita just the way you are. Parang gano'n. Okay, parang gano'n. So yun po, sana mo nag-tema. Thank you.
Thank you, Ken. And of course, Direct Theodore, Director.
Thank you. Yes, thank you po. Ayun, thank you sa mga vloggers and thank you din sa mga nanonood sa live streaming. Sana tulungan nyo kami sa pag-promote sa social media. And then, kapag nabitin kayo dun sa kilig moments nila sa Forevermore, sure na sure ako, sobrang baka kailangan yung magdala ng, di ba, joke. Kailangan yung, kikiligin kayo sa Liz Ken dito sa movie na to. Sobrang good vibes na movie and sana po manood kayo. Sabi nila.
Thank you so much. On behalf of Star Cinema, Star Creatives, okay, we'd like to show you, again, this is the take one, the movie, the making of Just the Way You Are. Please watch this. Ayan again, yung mga ABS-CBN store, the Just the Way You Are merchandise, ayan po, available siya in Tumblr sa 200 bucks.
Of the legendary teleserye Forevermore, Star Cinema proudly presents 2015's breakout love team, Enrique Hill and Liza Soberano. Mapapanood na sa pinakahihintay na movie of the season, Just the Way You Are, a boy who lives to win.
Alam mo kasi, Drake, you should never play with girls' feelings. Hindi dapat nilalaro ang love.
A girl who has nothing to lose.
Sigurado ka naman talaga na ayaw mo nang bumalik ng States?
Wala naman po akong babalikan to na. Wala na kaming bahay, wala na kaming pera, wala na rin si Mommy.
And the bet that will change the rules.
30 days, dude. 30 days to make a girl fall in love with you. Sino? Siya.
When Star Cinema first offered me the project, I felt so happy and so surprised. But at the same time, I feel so blessed kasi nag-full circle ako. Kasi Star Cinema baby ako eh. Nag-start ako talaga after college yung first work ko dito sa Star Cinema. Siyempre, we're blessed. I mean, sa success ng Forevermore. Hindi namin expect na maging big hit. Now, may kasunod na project na kami dalawa na naman. We're just excited to do another project and to make people happy. Something for them to enjoy again.
The story is very nice. Yung director namin, sobrang galing. Yun, I'm just excited for people to see something new from us. Kasi medyo iba yung characterizations namin from Forevermore dito sa The Bet.
before it hits 12 noon, Sophia is mine.
Yung nangyari. Nag-iba lang yung title ng movie, pero yun pa rin yung story. Yun pa rin yung pinaka-core ng plot. Sila pa din yung characters, ganun pa din yung mga nangyari. In-expand lang yung movie.
Just the Way You Are is about two different people who cross paths with each other dahil sa isang bet, sa isang pustahan, sa isang laro. Little did they know na yung laro na yun, yung bet na yun, ang magiging way para makilala nila yung isa't isa at matutunan nila yung totoong meaning ng love, taking risk sa pag-ibig at sa buhay.
What we did is we dug more into the lives of each of these characters. Ginawa namin silang humans and relatable. That's how we made it different.
What are you doing here? Can't you see I'm taking a shower? Don't you know how to knock?
Si Drake Season, yung character ko. Of course, playboy, he's the hotshot ng school. All the girls are in love with him, he has the money,